Okay, that's him sitting there. Anyway, as you can see, we have the cracks in the walls and over the closet, and then we'll walk over to here, and you'll see in the back of the house a very fine crack which I have to open, which I've opened some of it, which goes into the corner and down to the baseboards. What I will be doing is using a certain technique for the corners. I've used some videos and I have not seen anyone use this technique, which I learned when I was in the Corps. When I say the Corps, we usually refer that to as Job Corps. Trying to turn the camera back around, which is not here. I don't see it. No, that's not it. I did that too. That's just taking pictures. That's the lens.